the telephoto camera of the bottom one, this one right here. Okay, so there's like let me see, 1 2 3 4 cameras. So this is the one that I'm going to repair. This caused because of the drop. If the phone drop really hard and if you shake really bad, the sensor inside of this camera become loose, and it causes it not to focus well. So yeah, this is the issue that I'm having. This one is cost about $40 for this part. This is not cheap. Okay, cover the camera like this so that heat doesn't get heat up a lot on the other cameras. So first thing first, you want to take out this SD card slot. So you have a pin and take this out. Give a heat to the back of this side. Alright, so let's do it. You have to have this kind of card that can slide in there, not the metal, so it doesn't scratch. Alright, we are almost done. I replaced it. So this is the old one. This is the new one that I replaced. Okay, so let's put it back all in together. This is the one. Alright, let's do it. So before you do it, make sure the screw in there. You see the screw right there? Yeah, make sure you put the screw back in there. Put the flex cable. Snap. Alright, it's turned on. Okay. Alright, let's see if this works. So this is the old one.
So let's see. So see, this is a wide angle, and this is 1x, 3x, 10x, and see, it's still going. Plus 16x. Still going, still going. Alright, so it worked. Yeah. It's good. Thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribe.